Hey stealthies! Ever wondered what books propelled Warren Buffett to become the financial genius he is today? In this video, we're unveiling the top 8 books that shaped Buffett's legendary investment journey. Before we dive into these gems, hit that like button, subscribe for financial wisdom, and get ready to uncover the secrets in the pages that transformed Buffett into one of the greatest investors. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a journey into the mind of a financial maestro. And as a bonus, grab your free personal financial ebook from Stealth Wealth Society, your guide to conquering debt, planning for retirement, and mastering financial freedom. Let's dive in. Book number 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Our first stop is a classic, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Buffett often refers to Graham as his mentor, and this book serves as the cornerstone of value investing. Explore the timeless principles and strategies that have profoundly influenced Buffett's approach to the market, emphasizing the importance of a disciplined and rational investment mindset. Book number 2, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Next on our list is Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Buffett considers Graham's teachings invaluable, and Security Analysis delves into the fundamentals of securities. Understand the analytical methods that have been instrumental in Buffett's investment decisions, emphasizing a thorough and patient approach to stock analysis. Book number 3, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. In our third section, we have Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Buffett has often spoken highly of Fisher's insights into the qualitative aspects of investing. Explore how Fisher's principles guide Buffett in identifying exceptional companies through a deeper understanding of their business quality and management. Book number 4, Business Adventures by John Brooks. Moving on, we explore Business Adventures by John Brooks. This collection of corporate tales isn't a traditional finance book, but Buffett recommended it to Bill Gates, calling it his favorite business book. Discover how these stories offer timeless lessons in business and finance, capturing the essence of economic principles through real-world narratives. Book number 5, The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett and Lawrence Cunningham. In our 5th section, we have The Essays of Warren Buffett offers direct insights from Buffett's own writings, compiled by Lawrence Cunningham. Dive into Buffett's annual letters to shareholders, a treasure trove of wisdom that unveils his investment philosophy and principles. These letters provide a ringside view of how Buffett navigates the complex world of investments. Let's uncover the nuances and gems hidden in the essays, ensuring you grasp not just the what, but the why behind Buffett's enduring success. At Stealth Wealth Society, our unwavering mission is to empower and guide young adults towards astute financial decisions. Dive into our exclusive Financial Freedom Blueprint for young adults through the link in the description. This groundbreaking initiative serves as your comprehensive guide, offering strategic pathways to overcome debt, master budgeting, make informed investment decisions, and set the stage for a future brimming with confidence. Don't let financial concerns hinder you. Seize control of your financial destiny and embark on a transformative journey towards lasting financial freedom. Click the link in the description now to make an investment in your future. Book number 6, The Outsiders by William N. Thorndike. Discover unconventional wisdom in The Outsiders by William N. Thorndike. Buffett recommends this book for its exploration of 8 CEOs who defied conventional thinking to achieve remarkable success. Understand how these stories have influenced Buffett's perspective on management and unconventional strategies in business. Book number 7, The Snowball by Alice Schroeder. Alice Schroeder's The Snowball takes center stage in our 7th section. This biography provides an in-depth look at Buffett's life, offering valuable insights into the man behind the legend. Explore the experiences and decisions that shaped Buffett's journey, providing a nuanced understanding of his personality and mindset. Book number 8, Poor Charlie's Almanack by Charles T. Munger. Let's wrap up with Poor Charlie's Almanack. This book gathers the clever thoughts and wise words of Charles T. Munger, who has been Warren Buffett's partner in business for a long time. It shares valuable lessons about life, business, and making decisions. Dive into the ideas that both Munger and Buffett believe in, giving you a complete picture of how they work together for success. This book is like a guide that brings together the smart thinking of two great minds, shaping not just finance but life itself. And there you have it, Stealthies. Warren Buffett's top 8 book recommendations for investors. If you're ready to explore these literary treasures, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and don't forget your free personal financial ebook from Stealth Wealth Society. Your guide to conquering debt, planning for retirement, and mastering financial freedom. May your journey to financial mastery be as enlightening as Buffett's. Stay stealthy and thrive on your path to financial freedom.